What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Caspians. I am back with another video for you guys. Kaspa having a bit of a retrace right now. This is all fine and dandy, guys. The overall markets are down. Typically Kaspa does its own thing against the markets, but overall the whole market looks doesn't look that great right now, guys. We were breaking out of this previous resistance level. From here, I thought we was going to break out in yesterday's live stream and hold it as support, but unfortunately we have broken down, so we may retrace back to anywhere in this range. I'm not sure if we're going to come back down to the 3.6 cent level and then form a double bottom there and then consolidate to continue up from there, but we'll keep an eye on that, Caspians. From Kaspa News, forget everything you know, the real king of crypto is coming. It'll be in the top 10 very soon. Kaspa continues to crush it. People are taking notice. Short-term price action, short-term corrections are, minimal into, when we think about the long term for Kas. As Scanner, Kas is the best coin to mine. BTC news post. Let's take a look, man. Look at the hash rate for Kaspa, hitting new all-time highs once again, 13.33 PHS, and this is from Bitcoin News. Let's take a look, man. 2.8 million followers. This is one of the biggest Bitcoin accounts that gives consistent information about Bitcoin, and they're here speaking about Kaspa. Despite each Kaspa mining rig costing $49,800, Bitmain sold out of the first batch and announced another batch would be available soon. Hashtag Kas, hashtag mining. Bitcoin News, 2.8 million followers. One of the top Bitcoin crypto news sites showing attention and covering Kas, and it looks like Bitmain recently sold out of all the Kaspa miners. $50,000 for one mining rig from Bitmain. They sold out and they have to restock just to show you the mining power, the mining capabilities that Kaspa provides. Let's take a look at the article. Quick short look at the article, guys. According to Bitmain, the well-known crypto ASIC mining rig manufacturer, the company has shipped its first batch of KS3 Antminer machines. Despite each rig costing just under $50,000, Bitmain sold out of the first batch and announced another batch of KS3 Antminers would be available soon. Absolutely bullish news, guys. This is great stuff to see. As Kaspa's hash rate climbs, Bitmain ships KS3 Antminer series. Bitmain disclosed on Monday that it had shipped its initial batch of KS3 Antminer machines. These rigs mine the crypto asset Kaspa, a digital currency that ranks 45th in market capitalization. Current data suggests the KS3 miner is most profitable mining ASIC available. The website ASICminervalue.com reports that the machine can earn estimated $440 daily by mining Kas. However, Bitmain's machine quickly sold out. The miners are here to secure that Kaspa network, guys, as again the hash rate just keeps hitting new all-time highs, making it the company's priciest unit ever sold, priced at this is the priciest unit ever sold as well. Wow, priced at just under $50,000. Each rig boasts a processing speed of 8.3 terahash per second, THS. However, Bitmain's post on Monday suggests the miner can clock 9 THS, while the rig stands at Bitmain's most expensive Antminer. The company recently introduced a Filecoin miner priced at just under $40,000, making it their second priciest ASIC. And the Kaspa ASIC miner, the Kaspa Antminer, the KS3, is the most expensive. And look at this right here, Bitcoin.com again, guys. This is Bitcoin.com news, right? Covering Kas, right? And I'm telling you, the Bitcoin miners more than likely are taking notice of this. I wouldn't be surprised if we see people selling more and more Bitcoin miners selling their BTC and moving over to mine Kas and buy Kas, right? Currently, the crypto asset Kas boasts a market cap of about 852 million. Its value has surged 13.9% against the US dollar over the past month. The ultimate inflation hedge Kaspa. As of Monday, around 35 mining pools are dedicated to hash rate to the Kaspa chain. Data reveal a total of about 12.36 petahash of K heavy hash rate. And this number right here is actually higher than that now at 13.3, on its way to 14 PHS, which is petahash, right? The K heavy hash algorithm, tailor-made for Kaspa mining, powers swift block generation times on the Kaspa network, producing a new block every second. At its heart, this consensus algorithm is a refined take on the heavy hash algorithm. Though the algorithm leans towards being core dominant, allowing graphics processing units to mine Kaspa employing an application-specific integrated circuit, can yield considerably higher profits. Now remember, Kaspa was open for mining through GPUs at first, so people that don't have that, don't have that much money could mine Kaspa. The regular people who don't have that much to spend on a ASIC miner, again, $50,000. Regular people can't afford that, so Kaspa was available to mine through GPUs at first at a more reasonable price, right? And as the project grew, as the project developed, that's when ASIC miners started to step in, right? So it made Kaspa very fear and the distribution very fear, so it wasn't instantly people mining with the ASICs, right? It's only now that Kaspa is almost just around hovering around $1 billion asset. That's when the ASICs and Bitmain ant miners finally stepped in, right? F2 pools leads in mining Kaspa, capturing 2.57 PHS of the network's total hash rate, trailed by Kaspa pool with 2 PHS and Hum pool with 1.85 PHS. The network's cumulative hash rate has witnessed a significant increase from 777 THS on April 4th, 2023 to its current 12,360 THS. This translates to a roughly 1,490% uptick in the Kaspa hash rate over the previous 4 months. Again, guys, this is absolutely huge news that we're covering right now, guys. This is from the official bitcoin.com news site. 2.8 million followers saying hashtag Kaspa, hashtag mining. Bitmain sold out of the $50,000 in Kaspa miners, sold out, and now they have to restock, guys. That is extremely great news for Kaspa. And again, these are the type of things where you don't have to worry about short-term price action, because as the miners continue to step into the Kaspa network, again, like I've stated in my previous videos, we're matching Bitcoin's hash rate excuse me, we're matching Bitcoin's hash rate levels from 2013 to 2014, and as long as this continues, the hash rate, the miners will keep securing the network, hash rate will keep hitting all-time highs, and eventually price will follow, right? Once again, from a scanner, Kaspa accumulation is clearly evident in the address distribution growth below. This correlates back to the chart, which is showing a strong bullish flag and handle formation before the next major leg up to 0.06 to 0.07 cent, right? Chart is trending up. This is all happening while BTC is in a bearish trend below bull market support band. And people are speculating we may see another retrace in Bitcoin, because we are I wish I had the chart to show you guys. Let me see if I could pull it up with Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin bull market support band. Let's see if that right here, right? We are below the bull market support band. We finally got above it, and now we're back below it, right? This could, be very, bad for the market, because look at what happened previously when we went below the bull market support band for Bitcoin. We tried to push back above it, but then we just continued to drop, right? So another drop could be coming in the overall markets, guys, so keep an eye out for that, right? And what would you rather hold in this situation, BTC or Kaspa, or perhaps both, right? Obviously BTC has a lot less volatility, being the king of crypto, but Kaspa is trending up against Bitcoin, even with the bearishness that is happening in the Bitcoin chart right now. And you know, we have the address distribution. Which one are you in the comment section? Are you a fish, octopus, dolphin, shark? You know, let me know down below. I wouldn't be surprised we continue the trend for cash after we do this retrace, guys. Maybe we do a double bottom move, or cash just shocks everyone and just, you know, defies logic once again and just continues to move up from here again, or we do a double bottom from here, guys, and then consolidate to continue up further despite what Bitcoin and the rest of the market is doing. That being said, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I appreciate all the support, guys. Let's continue to take over the space together. Share this share the content with your friends and family. I'll catch you in the next one.